I'm Lydia Leach. I am at John Snow College at Durham University. I just graduated in the summer doing a degree in music, and now I work for the college as the JCR president. I'm here today because I got asked to represent college here to pick one of the 11 grand pianos from Steinway, and it's a really great opportunity. We're really excited to represent our college. The large majority of people who do music aren't music students, so it's a great opportunity for all the different levels of players, whether they're advanced or not, to take part and be able to play on a Steinway piano, which is really exciting for everyone and a great experience. When selecting the piano, I was looking for something that is going to be able to project well. Also, it needed to be easy to play because not everyone who's going to use it is going to be a very advanced pianist. So the easier to play, the more versatile and the more opportunity the piano can give to people. Even though it was great to pick our one Steinway grand today for our college, this is one of 11 grand pianos from Steinway and 57 pianos that are coming to the university. So I was selected out of a group from the university to come to Steinway & Sons in Hamburg, and we were kindly given a factory tour. I really enjoyed the timber yard. It was amazing to see how carefully the wood is selected for these pianos and how long it takes to prepare the wood just so that it's of the right quality and the high spec that turns into these amazing pianos. Once the pianos are delivered, Durham University is going to become an all-Steinway school. I think this will really open up opportunities, not only for our students, but just because everybody knows the Steinway name, and it will lead on to many opportunities in the future. So with this opportunity, the students at Durham University will be able to come to the Steinway Hall and receive a masterclass with a professional pianist, and they'll also have opportunities to do performances at the Steinway Hall.
You always want to try and give the students the best equipment that you can possibly get. Durham University, music making there isn't just limited to the music department, but actually it is massive throughout the whole university. It is now going to be an absolutely university-wide, so it's not just the music department, but most of the colleges will get new instruments as well, which I think will be fantastic for the whole of the university.
This one just gave you a bit more leeway when you were playing.
Sounds to me like you've selected your piano. In that case, I think maybe it's time to put the selected badge on. Congratulations. Fantastic.